welcome back to Garam Masala Traveler. So as you know that nowadays is going to month of Ramadan, so we were very busy and we don't have time to make a video. So today we again have time to make a video and we have to gather a dinner. So we're going to cook for today and we enjoying our dinner. So now we are going to do cooking. It's grilled fried chicken, and this is we're gonna doing the making chapati, roti, and this is the grilled chicken. It's gonna be ready, and this is we have to make the flour for to making the dough, and this is the way that we're gonna do to make the roti. Is I'm gonna show you that how you're gonna make it. Just follow. So when you do like that, and after that it's gonna be need to through with the hand. If you do this, and it's gonna be ready to put all there. So we gonna waiting because it's gonna ready. So we will put the next one.
Hello guys, since we are still in the glorious month of Ramadan, we have been fasting all day long. So today we friends get together and we cook something special. We have some samosas out over here. Then over here we have called this the pakora, which comes along with some kothmeer chutney. We have the chicken curry, biryani style. Then over here this is the balla, which comes along with some chutney sauce. This is some chaat papadi. Then over here we have some keema mince. This is some kangkong with some shrimp, and this is shrimp chili fry. So hope.
I bring you here, you know.
बहुत बड़े हैं
Very nice.
पानी आ रहा है
So guys, so now the table is ready to start to eat. So now we're gonna try different kind of foods and we will tell you about how it's the taste. So now we're gonna try to, and how's the way, so we take chapati and roti and we take it and we're gonna try it. Yeah, so, and hungry as well. So tasty. So now my friends want to try another food.
Oh, this is daging filling. So our keema. So I will try this one. Perfect.
Now uncle turn.
Yeah.
Uncle, you want to try shrimp?
I want no,
Okay.
Oh, okay, great.
Okay. Please take it.
Same.
Yeah, this is
Then, oh,
take roti if you want.
once
So uncle, you ever tried this food before?
never.
Never. So just please try it and just tell to the audience that
Yeah.
how is it?
Close up. And there is the what is it?
It's a chicken grill
Grilled chicken.
Grill. What is sushi anyway?
with garam masala
Yeah.
and some chicken masala. So what else?
And garam.
Garam, right?
This is from garam masala. This is grill, you know.
Yeah.
This is delicious. Very smooth.
Yeah.
Wow, the food was amazing. You can see the boys relaxing.
It was wonderful day. After a long time.
After a couple of hours again we have to get up for sahur. Oh my god. Eat again. But at least it was a nice and amazing day. We had some lovely multi-cuisine, an Indian-Pakistan mix of food. So we had a lovely time. Thank you guys. Hope you have enjoyed your video, and happy fasting to all of you. Have a lovely time and see you again.
And see you
See
again
you
with the next
next time.
video.